This lecture is about sickle cornatum, very important remedy for your gynecological practice, female complaints also and skin complaints also. This remedy again important remedy for your extremities complaint. Extremities, formication because of B12 deficiency, formication because of osteoporosis, formication because of nerve injury or paralysis like condition. That formication can relieve with this sickle cord. Okay. It is basically prepared with the ergot. Now we'll move further. Sickle cordatum, that is ergot, that is claviceps purpurea. It produces contraction of unstripped muscular fiber, hence a constrigent feeling through the whole body. There is continuous constricted feeling, okay, constrigent feeling through the whole body, because unstripped muscular fiber where strips are not there, at that time, at that muscular fiber, it produces a contraction. This produces an anemic condition, coldness, numbness, and petechiae. This is most important thing. That coldness, numbness, petechiae, mortification, and gangrene. This is nothing but the developing pathology. Okay, so first of all, there is numbness, there is petechiae, which showing that oozing the blood from the capillaries, and that petechiae has been formed. Again, there is a mortification, and at the end, it leads to a gangrene. So this is again important remedy for gangrene also. Okay, I remember one of my teacher was using this remedy, sickle cord, for a gangrene condition, a condition of a diabetic gangrene or diabetic wound over where gangrene has been developed, and that patient was asked that he need to remove that limb. Okay, he need to remove that complete limb, but patient was not ready for that. So he came to the homeopath that practice, and he told me give him a sickle cord. Okay, sickle cord is a medicine which can give rise to a healthy granulation in such gangrenous condition with use a calendula for a external application. Okay, so we had covered and cured that case without complete removal of his limb, and without any surgery. We had cured that condition. Okay, that was a sickle cord, very important remedy and very useful remedy. Okay, especially in your clinical practice. A useful remedy for old people with shriveled skin, thin, scrawny, old woman. Okay, the old women who are really thin and scrawny, in such people, you can use this remedy. All sickle conditions are better from cold, and the whole body is pervaded by the sense of a great heat. There is a continuous feeling that the whole body, in the whole body, there is a great heat. Okay, hemorrhages continued using thin, fetid, watery black blood. As I told you, this remedy is really important remedy for your gangrenous condition. So the hemorrhages are look like continuous oozing, continuous blood is going, which is really thin, which is really foul smelling, that is fetid, watery, and black blood is discharges. Okay, such discharges are there. Then debility, there is lot of debility, weakness, prostration, anxiety, emaciation. Though appetite and thirst may be excessive. Okay, there is continuous feeling of a hungry. There is feeling of a hungriness. There is feeling of a hunger, continuous hunger, and continuous thirst. Patient eats a lot. Still he is emaciating. Still there is a emaciation. Still patient is losing a flesh. Okay, so such debility, anxiety, emaciation, though appetite and thirst may be excessive. Okay, facial and abdominal muscles twitch. Okay, twitching of abdominal muscles and facial muscles. This seen in this remedy. Sickle decreases the flow of pancreatic juice by raising blood pressure. It is said that sickle decreases the flow of pancreatic juice by raising blood pressure. When you talk about when you talk about such things, it can raise a blood pressure. Basically, this remedy can raise a blood pressure where pancreatic fluid cannot be flow very well. So we will again revise this PPT. cecal cord, that is ergot, it produces a contraction in an unstripped muscular fiber, which leads to a contraction. So hence the whole body patient feel that there is a constringent feeling through the whole body. This produces an anemic condition. There is anemia, there is coldness, numbness, petechiae, mortification, and gangrene. Okay, there is mortification and gangrene. This, as I told you, this is most important remedy for your gangrenous condition. A useful remedy for old people which shrivels thin skin and scrawny old women. Scrawny means really thin, okay, and which is unattractively thin. Thin people which are attractive, this is different, but scrawny means they are really thin. That thinness, it shows their diseased condition. Okay, that thin doesn't mean that patient is attractive. Such a scrawny old woman, in such patient, this remedy is really very important. All the sickle conditions are better from cold. Everything is get better from cold, and patient really feel heat all over the body. Okay. So there is debility, there is anxiety, there is emaciation. Debility, anxiety, emaciation, still patient's appetite and thirst is really very well. Okay, patient really want to eat a lot, but still there is a continuous losing of weight. Facial and abdominal muscles twitch, there is twitching of facial and abdominal muscles. And the sickle decreases the flow of pancreatic juices by raising blood pressure. This is said by author. Head, there is passive congestion, congestive pain. There is passive congestive pain rise from back of the head. Okay, congestion start with the back of the head, that is occiput, and with the pale face, head drawn back, falling off hair, dry and gray hair, nosebleed. There is dark oozing discharges. Okay, there is epistaxis like condition, there is dark oozing nosebleed, and there is congestive headache. There is congestive headache, passive congestive headache, which started most of the time with occiput, with the pale face. Face is completely pale, head drawn back and falling off hair. Hair fall continuously seen, dry and gray hair are seen. Okay, hair fall with dry and gray hair. Okay, hair fall in bunches, hair fall continuously, hair fall in bunches while combing, selenium. Okay, hair fall in bunches while combing is lycopodium. With dryness and hair falling out, with dryness and dandruff is your selenium. Okay, so these are the remedies for your hair fall. Again, this sickle cord is also good remedy for a hair fall. Eyes, pupil get dilated, incipient cataract. Now cataract, again a condition of incipient cataract, senile, especially in women. Old age people, eyes sunken and surrounded by blue margin. Okay, sunken eyes and which is surrounded by blue margin, you will get such things in eyes. Face, pale face, pinched, sunken, cramps commences in face and spread over the whole body. Livid spot on face, spasmodic distortion. Okay, face, there is paleness of a face, pinched and sunken face. Okay, as I told you, this patient is anemic. Okay, so try to understand thin and unattractive and bony woman with anemia. Okay, so such type of face is there. There is paleness on the face, pinched face, sunken, and there is a lot of wrinkles on the face. Again, cramps commences in the face and spread all over the body. Cramps started on the face and it spread all over the body. Livid spot on the face and spasmodic distortion. Okay, then tongue is dry, cracked, blood like ink exudes and coated thick, viscid, yellow and cold livid. So if you look towards the tongue is really very dry, that is cracked. Okay, tell me what is mapped tongue, which is the remedy for mapped tongue? Remedy for your mapped tongue.
Natrum ma'am.
Good. Natrum is the remedy for your mapped tongue. Okay. Again, important in natrum on the lower lip. On the lower lip there is a middle crack. Okay, crack over the middle part of the lower lip. Natrum is the remedy. Okay. Blood ink exudes, coated, thick, viscid, yellowish, cold, livid. Okay, there is blood like exudates like ink exudates, like ink. It is throwing out from the bloody tongue. Okay, there is coating of the thick, viscid, yellowish thing, which is really very cold and livid. Cold, livid coating you will get on the tongue. There is tingling on the tip of the tongue, which is stiffness of the tongue. Tongue is swollen and paralyzed. This is most important thing, that tongue is swollen and paralyzed. Stomach, the unnatural ravenous appetite. craves acid. Okay, ravenous appetite. While talking about the appetite, I had told you in one remedy that one patient came to me and he said that he need eating at night, and if he eats something he feel better. Eating relieves all complaint. Which is that remedy? Eating relieves the complaint. That patient was to get up at night and he was eating at night, and then he feel relieved with the complaint, and then only he can sleep. Hunger cannot tolerate at all. Which is the remedy? Come on guys, we had completed that remedy just before 8 or 10 days. Which is that remedy where hunger cannot be tolerated at all, or patient really need to get up at night and patient need to eat something so that he will get relief from his complaint. ओके, कुणाला आठवते की मी सांगू? ते तरी सांगा मला.
मॅम आठवण नाही येत, पण
आठवत नाही.
रेमेडी ऐकलंय.
इट वॉज
रेमेडी
अबाउट
आठवण नाही
लॅकॅसिस.
येत, पण ऐकलंय.
झालेली एवढं तरी आठवत आहे ना? असं काहीतरी सांगितलं होतं हे तरी आठवत आहे ना?
होय होय.
So it was about lachesis. Lachesis have that unnatural appetite where patient really need to get up at night and patient need to eat something. Okay, unnatural ravenous appetite you will also get in sickle core, and also you will get such unnatural ravenous appetite in your iodum. Okay, iodum also craves for food. Iodum also need a lot of food. Okay, they really eats a lot. Here also unnatural ravenous appetite. Patient really need to eat a lot. They are really very hungry. They craves acid. Thirst unquenchable. Unquenchable thirst or fever or acute episode, you need to think about arsenic, huh? Where unquenchable thirst is there. Here again,
मॅम
huh?
हंग्री हंग्री पेशंट अजून एक आहे ना,
कोणता?
रेमेडी के नाव काय
आयोडम.
अजून?
अजून सिकेल कॉर, लॅकॅसिस, तसे नंबर ऑफ आहेत, बट मी काय जे कॉमन सांगते. यू नो एनिथिंग बेटर दॅन मी? काय माहितीये तुला?
नाही मॅम, नाही मॅम, अजून एक होता मी वाचलं होतं पण आठवण नाही येत म्हणून विचारतोय. 4-5 रेमेडी होती ती.
हो, रेमेडीज भरपूर आहेत, बट इफ यू नीड टू थिंक अबाउट constitutionally you need to go for understand this appetite. Okay, iodine patient are really very thin but they eat a lot. Okay, sickle core, they are also very thin but they eat a lot. Lachesis can be fat labby, but lachesis can be again thin but they eat a lot. Such constitution really matters in such cases. Okay, you will find that thinness but patient eats a lot, and some people are like calcaria khar, they will eat very little but they will get fat very easily. Okay,
म्हणजे आमच्यासारखं.
ha. So we were talking about the unquenchable thirst. Okay, so there is thirst which is really which cannot relieved with the water. The patient really need to take lot of water, means unquenchable thirst. Okay, there is singulatus, nausea, vomiting of blood, and coffee ground fluid. So this remedy is really important remedy for your gastric and peptic ulcers. Okay, where coffee ground fluid is coming out with the vomiting, so there is a hematomasis. You will get hematomasis where there. Okay, and there is burning in stomach and abdomen. Uh, the singulatus means hiccups. Patient really get lot of hiccups. उचकी खूप लागते पेशंटला. For that, sickle core is a remedy. Then tympanitis, irritations of bad odor, you will get in this remedy. Then stool, cholera-like stool with coldness and cramp, olive green, thin, putrid, bloody, with icy coldness and intolerance of being covered. This patient cannot be covered at all. With a great exhaustion, involuntary stool, no sensation of passing feces, anus is wide open. Anus remain open for a long time, and patient is passing stool, and he cannot understand that I'm passing stools. Okay, there is great exhaustion. Patient cannot tolerate coverings at all. There is intolerance of being covered. Okay, and the stools are like cholera. There is cramps, there is cramps in the abdomen, there is olive green, thin, putrid, bloody with icy coldness. Okay, such type of stools are there. Then chest, there is angina pectoris. Again, this remedy is used for angina pectoris, dyspnea and operations with cramp in a diaphragm, boring pain in the chest, lot of pain, boring pain in the chest, pericardial tenderness is there, palpitation with contracted and intermittent pulse. Okay, palpitations with contracted intermittent pulse, sleep profound and long, really very sleepy people, insomnia with restlessness. Whenever these people get insomnia due to any pain or any sufferings, there is restlessness, lot of restlessness when patient is really insomniac, when patient cannot sleep, fever, fever during sleep you will get, and there is anxious dreams. Okay, and due to this anxious dream, this patient get up very easily, insomnia of drugs and liquor habitudes. So this patient can have insomnia of drugs. Then back there is spinal irritation, tingling of lower extremities. As I told you, there is tingling, mortification, formication. You will get in this remedy. Formication, खूप मुंगे येतात पायांना, and you really don't know why this is happening. At that time, sickle core can solve your case for a while. Okay, so that you can think about constitution, so that you can think about the other remedies. Sickle core really gives that relief to the patient whenever formication is there. There is myelitis is also there. Spinal irritation, tingling of lower extremities. Lower extremities, there is numbness. Okay, numbness and formication. Cannot bear slightest covering. These lower extremities or cannot have any slightest covering. There is locomotor ataxia, formication and numbness and myelitis. Extremities cold, dry hands and feet of excessive smokers with feeling of fuzziness in the finger. Understand this condition. When patient cannot tolerate, cannot be without their addiction, that is smoking. Okay, patient really feel fuzziness in the finger. Patient really don't understand. There is tremors, and patient cannot work without smoking. So such things are there seen in these extremities. Trembling and staggering gait. Patient cannot stand properly. Patient cannot have that for perfect posture. Patient cannot walk properly. There is a staggering gait. Formication, pain and spasmodic movement. There is a lot of formication, pain with spasmodic movement. Numbness and fingers and feet are bluish, shriveled, spread apart or bent backward and numb. That bluishness of the fingers and shriveled on spread apart and backward, and there is lot of numbness. There is violent cramps, icy coldness of extremities. Again, icy coldness of extremities, remedy is your pulsatilla. There is violent pain in fingertips. There is tingling in toes. We'll move further. Skin, there is shriveled, numb, motile, dusky blue tints, scleroderma, and edema neonatrum, then Raynaud's disease. This remedy, I was talking about Raynaud's and Burgess disease. I was talking about the gangrene, and in such gangrene, this remedy really work a lot. There is blue colored dry gangrene which is developing slowly, varicose ulcer, burning sensation, better by cold, wounds part uncovered, though the cold to touch, formication and petechiae. Slight wounds continue to bleed. Okay, there is a lot of bleeding with livid spot, boil, small, painful, with a green content. Mature slowly. Skin feels cold to touch. Yet covering is not tolerated. Great aversion to heat. Formication under skin. There is a lot of formication under the skin. Patient cannot tolerate covering. Patient cannot tolerate covering at all. Okay, patient is not able to tolerate it, and skin is really cold. There is coldness, icy coldness of the body, but still patient cannot cover the part. Okay, always wants part uncovered because that burning sensation, burning, which better by cold. Okay, burning sensation better by cold. There is formication, there is petechiae, there are slight wound which bleed easily. So there is formation of your petechiae, there is liver spot, there is boil which are really very small, painful with a green contents which get mature very slowly. So such condition you are going to get in this remedy. Skin feels cold to touch. Okay. Fever, there is cold, dry skin, cold, clammy sweat, excessive thirst, and sense of internal heat. Modalities, it get worse with the heat, warm covering, better by cold, uncovering, rubbing, stretching out limb. Okay. So such condition you are going to get in this remedy. So this is all about your CKL core. And now, by meaning of exam going batch means the batch senior batch. Okay, for your senior batch, the people who are going to give exam after Rashmi and that batch, Rashmi, Priyanka, Gange, after their batch, the people are going to give exam. Means Jagruti Goratkar, Vijay Pal, Devanshi, this batch is going to send me the remedies which have been remained, which we had not completed till date. Okay, we will complete your syllabus first, and then we will start with the junior batch. Means this uh, Rangapadia or Mariam or this Mahima and all these people will start later for them other things. Okay. First of all, you try to cover up your syllabus as early as possible, because we don't know when your exam is going to be declared or when it has been started. Okay. So you will send me, you all will send me that the batch who is appearing for exam. Jagruti, Devanshi, Vijay, all these people. Okay, these people are going to send me about which remedies which has not been covered till date. ओके, ज्या ज्या रेमेडी राहिलेल्या आहेत, ज्या ज्या रेमेडी शिकून झालेल्या नाहीयेत, त्यांची लिस्ट मला तुम्ही लोक पाठवा. जी छोटी बॅच आहे ते लोक. ओके, विंटर बॅच बेसिकली. आणि समर बॅच तुम्ही काळजी करू नका, आपण तुमचा सगळा पोर्शन कंप्लीट करणार आहे, जसा यांचा कंप्लीट करतोय. तुमचं जे जे काय काय होईल किंवा जे जे काय काय राहील ते तुम्ही सांगत जा. आधी आपण यांचा पोर्शन कंप्लीट करून घेऊ, मग तुमचा आपण पाहूया. ओके ओके गाईज.
मॅम मी गावी आहे.
अरे मग तू म्हणजे तू एकटा नाही, तू म्हणजे तू एकटा नाही, तुमची अख्खी बॅच मला कुणीतरी पाठवा. तुम्ही कुणीच काही पाठवत नाहीत, मला कसं कळणार तुमचा किती किती राहिलाय सिलेबस किती नाही.
ओके मॅम, बघतो
ओके, हा सगळे चेक
सगळे.
करा, सगळे चेक करा. काहीही राहायला नको म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगते, माझ्याकडून काही सुटायला नको म्हणून मी तुम्हाला सांगते. सिलेबस कम्प्लीट झाला पाहिजे तुमचा, बिकॉज वी रिअली डोंट नो वेन एक्झाम इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट.
मॅम
हा
तुम्ही ते ड्रग्सची लिस्ट पाठवली होती ना मध्ये.
हो पाठवलेली मग.
हा ते तिथून बघतो.
Okay, okay. You just check it out. Okay, so I will end this meeting over here, and so I will end this meeting over here, and if any query in SQL core, please call me directly. Okay.
Yes ma'am. Thank you ma'am.